Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the team. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 stockbrokers to get in 2024. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter and we talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe and join the team. Also, if you guys want to learn more about swing trading or investing in the market, I just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about how I find stock, my strategy, my mindset. It's a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading needs. You guys will have access to the group chat, quizzes, and a variety of other things. So guys, check it out down below. But let's dive into this. Now for me, I think it's always smart to go into the new year with some sort of game plan or strategy so we can all make as much money as possible. And that's why I wanted to make this video for you guys, because having a good stockbroker could definitely mean extra money in your bank. And if you guys want to sign up with all these, I'll put links to them down below so you guys can check them out. But let's jump into broker number 1. Now, broker number 1 for me is the one, the only Moomoo. You guys know that I am a Moomoo guy. I love it. Now, but this one here is 100% designed for traders. If you're looking to invest for the long run for retirement, Moomoo is not going to be the best option. What Moomoo is designed for is people that are looking to trade the markets. You guys know I am a trader. I love to swing trade and even day trade sometimes, but I still have a lot of other investments for the long run with different brokers, and we'll talk about them later. But with Moomoo, the reason I love it is they have great charting, they have a great mobile platform, and they do have great scanners. One of the scanners they have is something called an AI monitor. This also means an artificial intelligence monitor. So what it seeks out is high quality stocks. Whether you're a day trader or swing trader, they'll tell you good opportunity in the market. Now, if you guys know, there's a lot of external scanners like Trade Ideas, which cost $120 a month. So with Moomoo, it's great that you guys can get this completely free with your broker. Now, the reason I would recommend this for number 1 for trading or even investing in the market is because they do have something called paper trading. Now, paper trading is a great way to practice trading without actually using your hard-earned cash. What paper trading is simulated money. Starting out with trading or even investing, sometimes you're unsure, you're scared. So paper trading will kind of give you that confidence. It'll help you work on a strategy. It'll help you get an edge over other traders. So it's honestly something I'd really recommend. Now, the only issue that I have with Moomoo is they don't have an IRA account. The account that they do have is just a standard broker's account, which at the end of the day, it's not that big of a deal because this is a trading account, not a long-term investing account. But I still would love to just try to keep everything all in one, you know, having an investing account and a retirement account all with one broker. But at the end of the day, it's really not that big of a deal. It's just one of the only issues with them. But guys, Moomoo is absolutely fantastic and I would highly recommend it. So I'll put it down below. Check it out. All right, moving on to broker number 2. Before we jump into that, hit that like button and subscribe. Do it right now. Like and subscribe. Do it. All right, I appreciate you. All right, moving on to broker number 2 is going to be the one, the only Fidelity. Now, the reason I love this one is this one here offers something called fraction shares. So it's a great way to help beginners start investing. Not to mention, I think Fidelity is a great way where you guys can invest for the long run, as well as if you're a beginner trader or want to practice trading or start learning about trading, Fidelity is a good option. And the reason why I say that is they do have relatively decent charts, not as good as Moomoo, but you guys can still get the job done with them. But what I mean by long-term investing with Fidelity is because they do have a variety of accounts ranging from custodial accounts, so it's pretty much like investing for your kids, all the way to different IRA accounts like a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA. So this one here is a great way to keep everything all in one, so you don't have to actively have different brokers, but honestly, not that big of a deal. But honestly, Fidelity is a great way for people that want to probably trade on the side, not trade as heavy, but also want to invest for the long run. And it's kind of like a great combination of both, having trading and long-term investing. All right, moving on to the last broker of the day, the one, the only broker number 3 for the top brokers of 2024 that I would highly recommend is going to be the one, the only, drumroll, M1 Finance. Now, the reason I love M1 Finance is this one here is 100% designed for long-term investing. We talked about the best trading broker, which is Moomoo, the best combination of a little bit of both, which is Fidelity, and now this one here is long-term investing. The reason why M1 Finance is suited for long-term investing is because you cannot trade with this. It's very, very difficult to trade with M1 Finance. The reason why is they offer something called trade windows, but by far the reason why I absolutely love M1 Finance is because they offer something called pie investing. Pie investing is a great way to invest into a variety of different investments like stocks, ETFs. Now imagine this. Imagine you had $100 and instead of investing $100 all into one thing, what you could do is invest $10 into 10 things or $25 into 4 things, and they pretty much pie everything together all in one. It's a great way where you guys can just slowly invest for the long run. But as well, one of the most important things with M1 Finance that they do offer is IRA accounts, traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and they do have a variety of account types that are definitely suited for long-term investors. But guys, if you guys are a complete beginner and you don't know where to invest, M1 Finance has a variety of accounts and portfolios that you can choose from general investing all the way to following world-class investors like Warren Buffett and Paul Tudor Jones. So this one here is 100% designed for people that just want to invest and forget and just let their money grow and not even worry about it or really care. They just want to invest their money and not look at it for the next 10 years. M1 Finance is for that person, for a long-term approach where you're not buying, you're not selling, you're just dollar cost averaging for 40 years to make $1 million. That's what M1 Finance is suited for. But guys, all of these brokers are absolutely fantastic and brokers that I would highly recommend. If you guys have any questions, by all means, ask them down below. And if you guys want to sign up with any one of these brokers, I'll put a link to it down below so you guys can check it out. But guys, hit that like button, subscribe. We're going to end it here for the top 3 brokers of 2024. We'll see you guys later. Take care.